I was gonna ask that na kung hindi mo alam na dadalin doon pero sumama kayo sa 2 days tapos may passport ka but nasa kotse mo passport, okay. But you volunteered to accompany why?
To accompany the former president.
Because kailangan, what was the reason? Sabi mo, yung mga kasamahan mo walang passport.
Hindi po. Wala po akong sinabing kasamahan ko walang passport.
Sorry.
Wala pong passport that time yung mga PCTC members, ma'am, na supposed to be sasama din that time. Wala hong silang available noon.
So were you appointed representative of the PCTC?
Yes.
Were you appointed representative of the Interpol in the Philippines?
That time I was appointed, yes.
Who appointed you?
The PCTC, Your Honor.
So can on that day?
Yes, sir.
So can yung Philippine Center for Transnational Crime, sir, can you appoint the representative ng Interpol on the spot?
Para pong hindi yata kasama sa function ko yun.
Well, kakasabi lang ho ni Ambassador, kayo daw nag-appoint sa kanya.
Yun po sabi niya eh.
So, but you're saying it's not. So hindi niyo po no.
Kasi he is a competent authority.
Yeah, no. Let's. You're under oath, sir. Did you or did you not appoint him as representative?
The ambassador is a competent authority to represent us.
But you did not appoint him.
Hindi question if he's a competent.
Hindi ka appointing authority. Klaro po yun.